King salmon with a tomato confit. Yellow jackfish with a chili.
What is this herb that you used on the last one? Which is called? No, the green.
Green one?
Yeah, what I'm just curious.
This one?
Yeah, what is
Oh,
it?
this is like a Michael Shinanto.
Okay, is that like an onion? What is it?
Shinanto.
Okay.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I love that. I like this. Never had. It's like now it's like diet.
Kambachi, Japanese amberjack with smoky flavor.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Bluefin Lee.
What about